Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 2. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of. Let us find the value of number 1. Number is 4p plus 7. 4p plus 7. If we put the value of p is minus 2, then we are getting 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Therefore 4 to the 8, there is minus 8 plus 7, that comes to minus 1. Right? Question number 2. Question number 2 is minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Now the value of p is minus 2, that is equal to minus 3 into p square. P is minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square plus 4p plus 4, and the value of p is minus 2. In bracket you have to write minus 2 plus 7. You are getting minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 4 plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus, minus 8 plus 7. Therefore you are getting minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 12 minus 8, that comes to minus 20. Minus 20 plus 7. Then you are getting 20 minus 7 is 13. And the sign will be 20 is greater than 7. Therefore sign will be minus 13. Therefore this is, the answer is minus 13. Now question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, question number 3 is minus 2 p cube minus 3 p square plus 4p plus 7. You have to put the value of p as minus 2. And we are getting minus 2. We are getting minus 2 into p cube, that is minus 2 whole cube, minus 2, that is whole cube, minus 3 into p square, that is minus 2 whole square, plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Right? Here you get, here is, this is minus 2 into, if you multiply minus 2 3 times, it will be minus 448, that is minus 8, that is minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, plus into minus is minus, minus 8 plus 7. We are getting minus 2 into minus 8 is plus 16, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, minus 8 plus 7. Then we are getting 16 plus 7 minus 12 minus 8. We are getting 16 plus 7 is 23 minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20. Therefore, 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. This is answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.